Anyways, over to you. What's happening over there at Vodafone?
Thank you, Selene. First, I'll be talking about our Black View. It's a new phone that we've got in stock now. So we recently released this last week, Saturday. So it's going for as low as 249 tala. So a Black View Wave 8C. So it's 6.5 inches in display, 64 gigabytes memory, and 13 megapixels for the rear camera.
Oh.
So it's a really good phone. It's a dual SIM. And it's very low for as 249 tala. So if you haven't had a smartphone yet, make sure you check out one of our retail outlets. We've got this Black View Wave 8C for you. And we've also got our Ainga premium plans. So this one has 4 more days left.
Ainga premium plan?
Yeah. So it's 149 for 1,000 gigs. That's like 1 terabyte for 30 days. So if you haven't bought yourself a router, our routers, because you know how we just celebrated our 5th birthday?
Yeah.
So all our routers are now slashed down to 50% off. So our 5G routers are going for as low as 347 tala, 479. You can't even get a 5G router at this price.
True.
So hook yourself up with a 5G router and then buy a 149 tala plan. This is like 1,000 gigs. So this covers your whole month. Because I know the kids are on school holiday.
I know.
So yes, this is like a good way to make them stay at home. So after their chores, they can like do gaming or update their homework, their assignments. Yes, or watch some Netflix and chill. What other way can you use 1,000 gigs? Netflix.
Like that's a lot of gigs. But also, I can see here on the flyer, there's 5 days left. There's also other plans other than the 149.
Yes, but if you're that big data user, there's also the 199 tala for 2 terabyte. That's 2,000 gigs.
Wow. That's for like offices and
yes, for businesses. And the 249 gets you 3 terabyte. So make sure you don't miss out. And congratulations to those who won the 5,000 tala cash.
When was the last draw?
It's in July.
No, when was the last draw?
Oh, it was last week.
Oh, last week, yeah. Oh.
So last week we presented them with 5,000 tala cash each. So they weren't called into the office, but we went to their homes and surprised them. So yes, big congratulations going out to Leone Rosilani Tongamoa from Faleula and Sauni Solomona of Mulifanua.
Okay.
So yes, congratulations.
Congratulations. That's 5,000. What about Easter here?
I know.
No worries.
What's on that Easter?
Someone from Leone. Mulifanua and
Faleula.
Oh, and Faleula. Oh, okay.
Yes. And so don't worry, we still have heaps of 5,000 tala cash to give away. Just make sure you top up and buy any plan 16 tala or more and instantly go into the draw to win 5,000 tala cash. So next week we're wrapping up our other draw next week. So this would be our 5th draw. Let our listeners tuning in know about our 100,000 tala cash bonanza that we're giving away 5,000 tala each to 2 lucky winners every fortnight. So there's 2 ways for you to enter. First is top up any 16 tala or purchase any 16 tala or more plan, or receive money from your families and friends through M-Tala with 100 tala or more.
Yeah.
So yes, those are the 2 ways where you can enter our 100,000 tala cash bonanza. And we've also got our promotion going on with our 5G routers. So you pay 149 tala every month and you get 500 gigabytes. And
500 gigs.
A 5G router.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So 149 tala and you instantly get your 500 gigabytes every month and your 5G router. So this is a contract. So if you want to know more, make sure you visit one of our retail outlets. We've got 8 retail outlets. So visit one, and who knows, you might be interested in opting into our postpaid side of things. So big shout out going out to our kiosk at Savai or Faleolo, Vaitele, our newly opened Lotopa kiosk. We've also got our Fungale behind Eveni and our 2 main stores, Matafele and Maluafo. And you know how Easter's coming up. So we will be closed during Good Friday, and we will resume working hours on Saturday.
Normal working hours?
Yes, from 8 to 2.
8 to 2, okay. And for Monday?
For Monday, it will be just Faleolo, Vaitele, Fung'o, and Matafele.
The main?
Yes, the main at Matafele. So we've got our iPhone 16 in stock. Our iPhone 16 normal, our 16 Pro, 16 Plus, and the big guns, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes. So if you know that you're like short on financial status, we've got our financing option available. So if you're wanting to apply, you need to bring in the following documents in order for us to assist. So you need to bring in 2 copies of your payslip, your confirmation letter, your 3 months bank statement, and 2 valid ID, as well as a guarantor and 40 tala processing fee. So that's all we need from you, and you can instantly get your flash iPhone 16 Pro Max walking around with you, taking pictures and all that. And we've also got our S25 and S25 Ultra as well in stock. So we've got the 256 gigabytes as well as the 512 gigabytes. So take your pick, you know. 512. I would go for the 512 S25 Ultra.
Yeah, so.
Because I'm a Samsung person, so.
Oh yeah?
Yes. I'm not really into iPhone.
There's a lot of people, it's always a debate, Agak, if you feel iPhone, but doesn't like Samsung. Some people are Samsung. I'm an iPhone. I have an iPhone, but I'm more of a Samsung person.
Some people would choose iPhone because of security-wise. Hey, did you watch the news?
Did I watch the news?
Yeah,
What
about
happened?
the Nintendo.
Oh, the new ones,
Yeah, the Nintendo 2.
You guys have it?
We have the Nintendo.
Oh.
The Nintendo, the first version.
Oh, the first one. Oh, okay.
But this is the second one.
Yeah,
it was like really full.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I saw it
on the news.
I saw it.
It was Monday.
Yeah, I saw it Monday.
So yes, we've got that in stock. So
wow.
Yes, for your kids, spoil your kids.
Hey, you know, even old people like playing games now,
Or do you like playing games?
I'm not saying me. Of course, I love playing games, but yeah, you got the Nintendo.
Yes, we got the Nintendo, so it's only 1,179.
Wow.
Yes, so that's as low as we've got it going out for, but we don't have that many left.
Oh.
Probably less than 10, I would say.
Oi.
Remaining from the heaps and heaps that we got.
So everyone's just coming in and taking it, huh?
Because it's really good.
Yeah, true.
We also have a PS5 and the Meta Quest.
Oh.
So those are all the gaming consoles that we've got. And our Fuji camera. Meta Quest?
Yeah, he knows what we're talking about.
Yeah.
The VR.
Yeah, you're supposed to be playing that in a spacious room where you don't crack your.
Is that the one that you put on?
Yes, and
on
then
your eyes.
Your hands go flying in the air.
Oh yeah.
I mean, Lawrence should know.
Tell us about the quiz. What's it called?
Meta Quest.
What is that?
It's a virtual reality console. You have like goggles on your eyes, and then you'll have like 2 little controllers in your hands.
Oh, so it's like you're in the moment, like you're living the game. Wow.
Yeah.
So we've got that in stock. and it's going for as low as $2,329. You can also finance this
Oh,
when
really?
you pay every week.
That is good.
Yes.
So you can finance the Nintendo PS5 and
Everything that we have
everything.
in stock, you can finance.
Oh wow, that's
So
great.
if you're listening in and you're very interested, make sure you visit one of our nearest retail outlets and sign up.
Now I want to get a meta quiz.
A meta
And
quest.
fade in here.
Maybe.
Corey's gonna be watching the cameras and be like, "What is he
What
doing?"
is he doing?